Hey folks, Leo here, your go-to crypto insider with the alpha that's about to rock the XRP world. Buckle up because today's date, September 27th, 2025, might just be the spark that ignites XRP's rocket to $27. That's right, a specific date has been dropped by top analysts for this massive surge. And Blackrock, the trillion-dollar giant, is circling your crypto like never before. With XRP sitting at $2.79 right now, the buzz on X is electric. Whales are moving, institutions are knocking, and if you're not paying attention, you could miss the FOMO of a lifetime. But is this the real deal or just hype? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down with exclusive insights you won't find anywhere else, straight from today's hottest X posts. This changes everything for XRP holders. Let's dive in. First off, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing the facts and analysis so you can make your own informed decisions in this wild crypto space. All right, let's get into the meat of it. The XRP community is on fire today, and for good reason. Just hours ago, influential voices like at XRP_whale moves dropped a bombshell. BlackRock's $2 billion Buttle Fund is now targeting the XRP ledger for tokenization, powered by Securitize. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky rumor. It's a mega move that could bring BlackRock's USD liquidity fund fully on-chain. Imagine the world's largest asset manager funneling billions through XRP's lightning-fast rails. That's not just adoption, that's domination. And at RippleTrack echoed this, calling it the tipping point for XRP's momentum. The fuse is lit, folks. Think of it like a dam about to burst, releasing a flood of institutional money straight into XRP. But wait until you hear what this means for price action. Analysts are throwing out targets that'll make your portfolio sing. Take it Michael 6, 3140627. He's highlighting Black Swan capitalist view that XRP could solve the global debt crisis, with one expert setting a $15 to $33 price target amid rising institutional adoption. That's no joke. We're talking fundamentals like regulatory clarity and real-world utility pushing XRP higher. And from the web, Crypto News reports Ripple joining BlackRock in a $700 million off-ramp deal, with predictions teasing a $1,000 target as adoption accelerates. Hyperbolic? Maybe. But when you mix that with today's steady hold at $2.79, defending key support at $2.70 as per at Real Coin Central, it's a compression pattern screaming breakout. Now let's talk BlackRock's hunger for your crypto. Their head of digital assets, Robbie Mitchnick, just gave a fresh update in an interview, emphasizing investor demand as the key driver for new ETFs, including XRP. He recalled how they quietly accumulated Bitcoin before filing its ETF. Speculation is they're doing the same with XRP. At Investory nailed it. XRP checks all the boxes. Liquidity, market cap, clarity. If approved, institutional floods could jack the price floor overnight. And at 36 Crypto 2 broke it down in a thread. BlackRock's focus on products like this aligns perfectly with XRP's role in Ripple's ecosystem. This isn't casual interest, it's a strategic play to capture the crypto wave. Shifting gears, the community reactions are pure gold. At Dig Perspectives shared a video on a $9.3 trillion investment company jumping into crypto, tying into the Shane Ellis theory with XRP targets at $15 to $33. And at CryptoBeard called it institutional validation at its finest. Wall Street adopting XRPL for always-on liquidity. These aren't random shills. They're data-backed takes from pros who've been in the trenches. What if even a fraction of BlackRock's trillions flows through XRP? We're looking at demand spikes that could eclipse previous bulls. But here's a mini cliffhanger. Cryptic signals are pointing to today, September 27th, as a pivotal date. Users like at DeweyF97 are decoding patterns, October 24th as the 297th day flipping to September 27th, with fireworks igniting. And another, September 27th as the 271st day, tying to July 20th vibes. X marks the spot on October 6th as the 279th day back to September 27th. These aren't coincidences. They're community breadcrumbs hinting at imminent moves. Stick with me. Up next, we'll connect this to a specific date for that $27 target. Diving deeper, let's break down the surge step by step. XRP's holding strong amid market wipes, as at XRP Wallets notes, prepping the road for Blackrock and Vanguard. From CoinCentral, the compression hints at a breakout past $10 if adoption scales. Visualize this. XRP as the bridge for tokenized assets, with BlackRock's Boodle integrating via Securitize, real-time settlements, zero friction. At Hano_crypto animated it perfectly. If a sliver of their trillions hits XRP, price impact is huge. And at Leader Alpha dropped, 70 million FXRP minted by October 27th to November 2nd. That's the date, October 27th, for potential explosion tying into minting and ETF buzz. What if scenarios? If BlackRock files that ETF by year-end, as at XRP Mickle questions in his video, inflows could mirror Bitcoin's rally. Or if tokenization goes live, XRP becomes the liquidity king. This isn't speculation. It's backed by BlackRock's own MD estimating XRP fair value at $32. Energy's high, XRPARMY. Feel that FOMO yet? Now, if you're doubting this surge like most skeptics are, let's counter the myths head-on. Myth 1. XRP's too volatile. Wrong. It's defended $2.70 support amid Fed policy shifts, per at Bile_finance. Myth 2. Regulation's a barrier. Cleared that hurdle ages ago with SEC nods paving the way. Pain point. I'm late to the party. No, you're not. With ETF whispers from Shanta's view on internal BlackRock memos, and at XRPA Army News One calculating $33 from an 8 billion ETF inflow, the real gains are ahead. If you're holding and wondering about pullbacks, remember, institutions like BlackRock aren't here for short flips. They're building for decades. Building to the climax, this ties into the $27 prediction. Combining the $15 to $33 range, BlackRock's $32 fair value, and that October 27th minting date, analysts like those on the Crypto Basic see XRP dominance hitting 6-year peaks, pushing prices skyward. Excitement's rising. BlackRock wants your crypto for their empire, and XRP's the key. This could be the surge that hits $27 by late October, fueled by tokenization and ETFs. The stars are aligning. XRPA Army. Don't blink. Wrapping up today's key wins, BlackRock's ledger targeting, ETF hints, 15 to 33 targets, and that October 27th date for minting madness. XRP is not just surviving, it's thriving in a world hungry for efficient crypto. This insider info positions you ahead of the curve. Community, we're in this together, pushing XRP to the moon. If this blew your mind, smash that like button right now, drop a comment with your XRP price target, $27 by October. Subscribe for more exclusive alpha like this and share with the XRP army. Let's spread the word and watch the views explode. Together, we'll get XRP where it belongs. Thanks for watching. Leo out.